Today, when we're talking about addition, we're going to be looking at adding up coins to purchase an item. Now, when you go to the store, when you go shopping, you have to buy your items. Now, today we're going to be looking at purchasing things with coins. Now, in front of you, you have our four different types of coins. The four that we have in our pockets, in our piggy banks, and that are readily available to us to use. Now, if we were to order these from greatest to least, first, we would have our quarter. Our quarter is our largest coin that we have. Next would come our dime. It is the smallest coin we have in size, but is our second largest in value. Then comes our nickel and our penny. Now, each one of these has a certain amount. Our quarter is worth 25 cents. Our dime is worth 10 cents. Our nickel is worth 5 cents. And our penny is worth 1 cent. Now, when we're using these to sell and purchase items, we want to use the fewest number of coins possible, because we don't like to carry a lot of coins. We want to use the fewest possible. So let's take a look at what it is we're talking about. So let's say I go to the store and I find that I need to get an apple, a banana, and a candy bar. And let's say the apple cost me 32 cents. And a banana cost me 15 cents. And a candy bar cost me 21 cents. Well, if I'm going to try and purchase these, I'm going to need to know how much it is I need to spend. So with the apple, that was 32 cents. I'm going to think I want to make exactly 32 cents using the smallest amount of coins that I have. Well, I know I'm first going to use a quarter, which is 25 cents. Now, to get from 25 to 30, I'm going to need to add a nickel, which is 5 cents, because 25 plus 5 is 30. Then I know I need to add a penny and a penny. Plus 1 gives me 32 cents. Now, they might ask you to show this in a different way. If they do that, then you don't have to use the fewest amount of coins possible. You can use whatever coins you want, but you always want to try it first to use the fewest amount of coins possible. So for 32 cents, I could also think, well, I know 3 dimes, 10 plus 10 plus 10 is 30 cents, plus a penny makes 32 cents. So we're trying to find the smallest amount of coins, or if they ask for a second way, any amount of coins. Now, with my banana, that is 15 cents. I'm going to think about the fewest way to do this. Well, I know that I could do a dime plus a nickel, because 10 plus 5 equals 15 cents. Well, I also know that 2 nickels make a dime. So if I needed to show a second way, I could do nickel plus nickel to make my dime plus my third nickel. So we're always looking for ways to show different amounts after we've created the smallest amount possible. Now my candy bar was 21 cents. Now, when I'm thinking about this, I can say I can pay with a quarter. Great. But that's not exact change. That's not the exact amount. So I would have to think, well, I could do a dime and a dime and a penny, because 10 plus 10 plus 1 equals 21. And there's no other way I can make this even smaller in my money unit. I can't, there's no 20-cent piece, there's no 15-cent piece, so I've used the smallest amount of coins possible here. Well, if I need to show another way, I know I can break one of those dimes up into 2 nickels, and I could do dime, nickel, nickel, penny. So this is where knowing your different amounts of money and knowing your different combinations of what makes a dime, how many nickels make a dime, how many pennies make, will really come in handy. So you're going to do some practice today with showing the fewest amount of coins and then creating a second way to show that amount.